Good morning students, myself UK Singh, science teacher at ISL Multi Dhanbad. Today we will continue with the same chapter of class 8 which is force and pressure. Okay, in the previous class we have studied about the different aspects of forces, the basic definition of force and the changes bring about by the forces. Force can change the shape of the object. Now the next important effect of force that it can change the shape of an object. Okay, so this can be felt during various day-to-day activities like what you can say making dough. Basically dough is prepared for making bread, chapatis and other kind of things like other kinds of like cakes. So this dough, the shape can be changed by applying pressure over it. Continuously there is a manipulation in the shape. Okay, so whenever you want to change the shape of the dough, then we have to apply force. Okay, then inflated balloon, if you just press an inflated balloon, it will change in shape. A rubber, when you what you can say apply force on the rubber, it will change its shape. So force is required to change in the shape of some object. Now let us summarize what are the different kinds of effect that force bring about. Okay, first of all, it can move from an object from rest to motion. Okay, also it can bring about object from motion to rest. It can slow the speed of any moving object or can also increase the speed of a moving object. It can change the shape of an object, as we already studied. Okay, these are the different effects the force can bring about. One of the one more effect is that force can also change the direction of the motion based upon the direction in which the force is applied. Okay, now the second important topic is contact forces. What are contact forces? Now let us understand this. The contact forces is only applied when the what you can say we are in the contact of the object, like lifting a book from the table. Okay, pushing any object. Okay, so we need to be in contact with it to push, pull, or you can say lift any object. Okay, so these contact forces are those forces which need to be what you can say which need to be in proximity of the person who is just changing the who is applying the force. Okay, so for example bullock in bullock cart have to apply force to move the bullock cart. Okay, so one more important thing that this force resulting due to this force are also due to the action of muscle, therefore also known as muscular forces. Okay, now next topic is friction. What is friction? So friction is a kind of resistance, okay, which is bring about, okay, whenever try to move an object from one place to another, then the force which prevents to which acts against the applied force is known as friction. For example, a book is kept in a table. In order to move the slide the book over the table, we witness what you can say a resistance from the surface of the surface in contact of the book and the table. So this is called friction. Okay, so friction always act against the direction of force. Okay, always. Okay, when you are moving the object in the right direction, it will apply it in the left direction. When you try to move object from in the left direction, the friction will be applied in the right direction. Okay, so there are different kinds of friction. Okay, the contact frictions are there, then fluid resistance is also kind of friction. Okay, so friction will always be against the direction of the force applied. Okay, so friction resists any change in the state of the object, that is it try to conserve the inertia of the object. Okay, thank you. After you get the video, the group will be open for all of you to ask your doubts.